Hello everyone, in this video we talk about the how to install theme in WordPress. In this video we talk about the two methods. First method, using WordPress theme option panel. We go to WordPress dashboard panel. In dashboard panel we go to appearance, themes. In the appearance we are available add new option. We click on this panel. Popular category, these many themes. We install OceanWP from this panels. Click on install button. The theme is appearing installing.
A few moments later.
When theme installed completely, we show the active button is appear. Click on active button to activate the theme. Click on view site. We saw the theme is activated and new layout are appeared. Single post details and we see that OceanWP is activate the current theme. Let's talk about the second method, manual install using zip file. First of all, we download the theme zip file. In this case, we download a zip file from wordpress.org. So open Google and type WordPress themes. In this panel, go to wordpress.org/theme. Appearing, click on this. Go to popular category. In this step, we download the other theme. Click on extra, download. When extra is downloaded, we show the extra 2.2.1 zip is available in downloads. Go to WordPress dashboard, click appearance, click on add new, click on upload theme. We see the choose file button is appearing. We drag the extra zip file to choose file. The extra file is selected. Click on install. The installation process will be started. It takes a few minutes to install the theme, so hold on. Click on active. We see the current activated theme is extra. Click on visit site. We see the blog page is changed and new layout will appear. In customization option, click on customize. We see the active theme is extra and the theme option will appear. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.